Alrighty, it looks like we're gonna have to do daily construction updates again because everything's happening. We're down to literally like 3 weeks until the park starts opening. And that means a lot of action. Tundra Twister supports are on site now, as you can see, and they got 2 cranes ready to go. This is that Lego set construction that I was talking about on the podcast. You're going to see this ride go up exactly like Lego. It's going to be probably 2 to 5 days max that it takes to build the remainder of this ride. What we thought was the op booth is actually the electrical room for Tundra Twister. That little white thing we saw them lifting in place yesterday is the actual, like, electrical unit itself. So yeah, that's really cool. The fact that they're building like a timber kits for the electrical room is even more impressive. I wasn't expecting that. I almost called it Planet Snoopy. Snoopy's Racing Railway is off to a really fast-paced start. As you can see, the drive tires are installed, as well as now about 80% of the track. They are now building the launch shed, as you can see, and confirmed by the park map that was uploaded to the website. You know what? Maybe I'll insert it right here. You can tell that it will have all the theming that the other ride has. Not sure about the waterfall, but yeah, it looks like it'll have the launch shed building and the second launch shed building as well. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.